Hi, this is Sue Marie P. This is my kitchen. It's almost lunchtime. My name's Sue and I love sharing things that I like to eat. I'm going to make two salads that are kind of my go-to salads that I have most summer seasons. Don't eat much salad in winter. So I've got some cooked potatoes. I boiled them yesterday, so they're ready to turn into a potato salad. And I love this salad. My sister-in-law did a version of this many years ago and I was inspired by that. So let me just grab a knife. So I take a sharp knife and I like my potato pieces to be reasonably small, but you can do them whatever size you like. And I'm just popping, before I pop the potatoes in, I'll mix the dressing. So you can use, I think the original recipe was with cream. I prefer something different. In Australia, I used to have a soya mayonnaise that I used all the time, so I did it with that. Here, I've been using cream Fraiche because it's really easy to get. Or you can use, a mayonnaise of your choice or cream or whatever. So I do about roughly 2 tablespoons, 2 dessert spoons of the cream or dressing or mayonnaise, whatever you're going to use. And I add in 2 teaspoons of seeded mustard. If you didn't have seeded mustard in the house, you could probably use French mustard. Over the years, I've probably thrown that in when I've run out of this. So just give that a little bit of a stir. And this is really by eye and taste, how creamy you like it. I love that combination. You could probably do sour cream as well. And a little bit of a Swedish-inspired addition is some dill. I have frozen dill in the freezer. So that's just been defrosting. And it gives it a touch of green. So now I can toss the potatoes in. I tried to do it the other way around, like chop the potatoes, then do the sauce on top. It doesn't work as well. And if you've got the little baby new potatoes, you could probably use them and leave them whole. And I just toss it around. And that's my seeded mustard potato salad. Now it's number 2 salad recipe, so pop that to one side. So the next salad, I call it my beetroot salad, and I do variations on a theme. I buy the beetroot already cooked in the store, and this is just chopped up. I think that was about 3 or 4 like little round pieces. I used some of it the other day. I have some pre-cooked quinoa that's been in the fridge. So I'm going to pop that in first. I'll just measure it for you. It's probably just a little over a cup. So let's throw that in. And let's measure this beetroot, how much chopped beetroot I've got. There's probably 1 cup of chopped beetroot, which is already pre-cooked. I often put green lentils in this as well, but I don't have any in the cupboard at the moment, so I'm just going to use what I've got. I've got some little radishes here. Now, when I got them out of the fridge before, they were starting to go soft. So what I did, I popped them in some cold water and put them in the freezer for 10 minutes, and then makes it go a little bit crispier. Now, I'm going to rush because I want to eat this. I could have left them in the fridge a bit longer to go crispier, but I think for this they'll be all right. I'll just pop in maybe 3 or 4. You can't really see what I'm doing. I'm just slicing them, and it's, just however you like to do it. I'm doing them in kind of like little pieces like that. So the other day I did it with baby spinach. I don't have baby spinach. I've got rocket today, so I'm going to put in a couple of handfuls of rocket. Probably should have put that down the bottom, Sue. Just toss that around a bit. And then I usually keep the dressing quite simple. In here is balsamic. I'll do a drizzle of balsamic. Sometimes I put lemon juice with a bit of maple and olive oil, but I'll just keep it simple. Drizzle of olive oil. So that's about a tablespoon if you want to be exact. I have some feta cheese here, so I'm going to crumble some of that on top. If you're not into eating cheese, you could maybe do a vegan version or just leave it off. But I like the contrast of the feta cheese against the beetroot and quinoa. So we'll be generous with that because I need to use that up. I've got a lemon here, but I'm not going to use it because I use balsamic. I've got some rock salt. I'll drizzle a few things of rock salt on there. And in here I've got some toasted sunflower seeds. Throw those on top. 2 little handfuls. And some toasted pumpkin seeds. And that's my beetroot salad with feta, seeds, quinoa and rocket. Hope you've enjoyed both of these. I'll pop a link below and you can jump over to my website where I'll give you the ingredient list. If you want to see more salad ideas, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a happy day.